Are you an entrepreneur? You need to check out the last two videos we did where we talked about entrepreneurship needs. The link is down below. You're welcome to Insidekano TV Business Talk with Tayo Oni. You're welcome to another session. Today we're going to be looking at some reasons why you should start a business. One of the reasons why you should start a business is businesses thrive with opportunities. Most entrepreneurs get into business because they see an opportunity, they maximize the opportunity. Another reason why you need to go into business is have an idea that has been validated, that has been used before, a business idea that maybe you have used it in where you worked, or you've seen someone use it and you've seen that it's successful. That is another reason why you should be able to start a business. Another reason you need to start a business is an idea, a solution that can bring value to customers, value to people around you. When you have something that can bring value to people around you, it's an highlight, it's a signal that you can do that business. One other reason is solution to a problem of people around you in an environment. Yes, that could be a good business that will make a lot of money. It won't just make money, it would also be a blessing. It would also make maximum impact in people around you. Now, when you have resources that is needed to start a business, it's a good reason to start a business. But not just resources alone, experience goes a long way. So if you've built experience in a particular area and you have resources to fund a business in that area, that's a very, very good reason to start a business. We're going to be having a live stream question and answer session on the 26th of June. That's the last Saturday of this month, 11 a.m., 11 to 11:30 a.m. It's going to be a great session. I want you to be there with your questions. We're going to be having a counseling session. You're going to be inspired. You're going to be boosted. We're going to be having a whole lot of fun, learning, and laughing. Till the next time we see, keep keeping it real. All the best.